Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2014 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing. Coming with a soft-top tonneau cover on the back to keep your belongings covered and protected from the elements. You've got a nice accessories there, and recently detailed, so it's nice and clean, but let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, where you have spacious seating for 3 that can be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have 2 fold-out cup holders and a 12-volt power outlet. And now looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 176,710 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information such as your trip A and B mileage, your distance to empty, fuel economy, fuel history, trip timer, and then you can also go into your setup and settings and mess around with that a bit. Moving on, though, to your center, your Infotainment Center, which is radio, Sirius, CD, USB, and auxiliary, so you do have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You also have your traction control shutoff and hazards here, and then all of your media and climate controls here. Very simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a cubby beneath it, and on the right, you have a 12-volt power outlet with a cubby beneath it. Then moving down, you have another 12 volt here, as well as your USB and auxiliary, so you can plug something into power charge or just hook up your audio that way. And then you have a cubby down there, so you can put your device there while it's charging or something. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders, a cubby, and your center compartment / armrest, which is quite spacious. But then this does fold up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck. And then you actually have another compartment underneath that for even more storage for all of your stuff. And then you have 2 cup holders that pull out like so you can have some drinks while the seat is folded up, or 4 in total if you're feeling wild. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.